I know the way. I know the way to make money without the ads. Follow me. Let me show you the way.
Yo! Yo! You gotta wake up! Wake that ass up, it's time to wake.
Here is the way. So, you can put your own ads in your video. I don't know why I'm talking this accent. But yeah, you can put your own ads in your video. Let me show y'all mine, for example, right now. Pow.
Y'all, make sure y'all check out magicalbutter.com, y'all. This is the first over-the-countertop botanical extractor, y'all. So you can make all your butters, all your oils, everything that you need for the essential, most potent edibles that you can make, y'all. I mean, it even got a cookbook, y'all. Even got a cookbook. You can get some Rice Krispie treats. You can just make some wings. What else you want to make? What else you want to make? You got some magical coconut oil so you can cook with everything edible. They got salsa, slamming salsa. We getting lit. Y'all, check out the link in my description for $25 off, y'all.
I got this magical butter machine. And so I know a lot of people can get this deal because before we even started doing YouTube, people had this deal anyway, but we didn't use it. You know what I mean? Besides maybe post it on Instagram once, maybe tweet it out one time where stores give you a deal. It's like, hey, you can get $10 off. If you send this to your friends, whatever, you can get this $10 or something like that. You get a reward code. So, for example, with this company, I have a reward code for $25 off. And when people get $25 off, I get that $25. So, if you have your subscribers coming through, your viewers coming through, they're watching your video, and you put your own ads in your video. If they buy this, you know what I mean, you get $25. So if you get 1,000 people to buy this, for example, use your code, that's $25,000. So you can still make money without even having advertisements on your videos. I don't have advertisements in my videos yet, but I have my own advertisements. Paid promotion, when people pay you to put their music on your profile, that's definitely another way to make money. Also, another way for reaction channels to not get your channel, your song or video copyrighted. Add a song in there, you know what I mean? Stop the video every 30 seconds. And more likely not get your reaction video copyrighted. Yeah, also if you put your own ads in there. Yeah. So I'm gonna show my ad one more time.
Y'all, make sure y'all check out magicalbutter.com, y'all. This is the first over-the-countertop botanical extractor, y'all. So you can make all your butters, all your oils, everything that you need for the essential, most potent edibles that you can make, y'all. I mean, it even got a cookbook, y'all. Even got a cookbook. You can get some Rice Krispie treats. You can just make some wings. What else you want to make? What else you want to make? You got some magical coconut oil so you can cook with everything edible. They got salsa, slamming salsa. We getting lit. Y'all, check out the link in my description for $25 off, y'all.
Look, y'all, how easy is that? And I'm definitely looking for more companies. So if y'all know any more companies that do that as well, man, let me know so we can put more ads in there, y'all. But that's another way to make money on YouTube without having advertisements from YouTube on there, y'all. Take some initiative. Do it yourself. We lit.